It's a super fun abs workout that is suitable if you live in an apartment, you're traveling, hotels. It's great, it's silent, and it needs a small space. So let's get into it. So we'll begin in a plank position and we will do 3 exercises in that position. It's super simple, and then we'll lie on our back and do reverse curl ups. So I'll just go through the exercises with you before we begin. Get onto plank. Make sure that your fingers are widely spread. Press your palms onto the ground. Push the floor away. Make sure that your shoulders are engaged and down from your head to your toe. You're in one line. Engage the belly. First exercise, parallel mountain climbers. Bring your knees to your elbows, like that. Continuously squeezing your belly to your spine. Second exercise, wide open mountain climbers. Opening up your knees to the side like this, looking at your knees, and the other side, and the other side. Third exercise, crisscross mountain climbers. Bring your right knee to your left elbow. So 1, 2, just alternate sides, crossing like this, and that's the third exercise. And then we'll get onto our backs, cross your ankles, and what we do is bring our palms behind our neck just to rest, and from here we want to lift our buttocks to the ceiling. And as you come down, make sure your knees do not go past your hips. When you come down, be as slow as possible and squeeze the belly into the spine. So we'll be doing 10 of each movements, and we repeat 3 sets. So join me and let's begin. So let's get into position. Wrists right below shoulders. Spread those fingers, bringing your legs straight at the back. Parallel mountain climbers. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now the third one, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse curl ups. Get into position. And when you're ready, inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really draw the belly into the spine. 9 and 10. So, right. Back to plank. Get into position. Straighten those legs. Again. Parallel mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Open. 1. Look at the knees. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, reverse curl ups. palms behind your neck, interlace the fingers. 10 here, so inhale. And one exhale before we begin. Inhale up and exhale, drawing the belly into the spine. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You really want to draw the belly into the spine to really feel it burn. So hang in there, last round. Get into position, spread your fingers, press them onto the ground, draw the belly in. From here, parallel mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reverse curl ups. 10 more. And then you're done. Okay. Inhale at the bottom. 1, exhale. Inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. All right, good job, guys. Remember to always stretch your belly after you do your abdominal workouts because it's important. Length is as important as strength. So from here, let's do a few cobra pose. Join your legs together, or if it's too difficult for your lower back, if it hurts, keep them open. Place your palms right beside your chest. Roll the shoulders back and down. Bring the elbows in. And from here, inhale up. Keep the hips on the ground. Gently pull in the belly as you stretch it. Hold for 3 breaths. Hold for 3 breaths, not 3 breasts. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And on the last count, we'll hold for 3 breaths. Inhale. Coming down. Beautiful. So if you want more fun to this workout, you can put on socks and just slide them up instead of bringing the whole leg up. That adds some fun. If that's what you like, colorful socks makes me happy. So on days where you don't feel too much motivation, bring out those socks. And if you're a beginner, remember quality is always better than quantity. So if you can do 5, do 5 perfect ones in perfect form, or even 2, make them perfect, and from 2 go for 3 and then 4 and then 5, rather than doing 10 and being sloppy about it. So make sure you really make every move with conviction and intention. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I can make more of these videos if you like. I hope this helps you achieve any goals you are going for, whether you want to perform better in sports or even in yoga. Abdominal muscles are super important, whatever you might be doing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!